Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Owala 24-ounce water bottle. So it's got a lot going on. Let's take a look at it and see exactly what's going on. So the first thing I love that it's not perfectly round. I got some flat sides that I can grab it by. We got to lift this. I actually use this for a carrying handle sometimes, but we're going to lift this to unlock, press the button. Now that thing goes back, it's got a spring, but I've got a place where I can drink from a straw or I can chug. So let's open it up and you'll see the straw does come out for cleaning, but if I want to drink from the straw, there's that part right there. You can put your lips over there, or I can just drink, I can chug it a whole bunch of water. This is double wall insulated. It is going to keep your drink nice and cold for a really long time. Let's kind of go over. There's an O-ring right here. Looks like everything's pretty easy to get nice and clean. We can take this out and put that back. And again, you're going to snap that done. And then this locks it so that you can't press that button anymore. But I have used that to lift to carry it with. It does say it's BPA free. Okay, I got the straw back in. Let's put this on. Let's do some measurements. So it's going to fit in a cup holder that is exactly 3 inches. Height-wise, this thing is exactly 11 inches. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.